Hey, welcome back to edtech by Meera. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to do nested dictionaries, or rather how nested dictionaries work in Python. This is Python tutorial for beginners. Okay, so we've already done dictionaries earlier, and you can refer to the description in the link below if you've not already referred to my lesson earlier. Okay, consider a dictionary by the name of My Pets. Yeah. Now this My Pets dictionary, when you call nested, means one dictionary contains 2, 3, 4, 5 or any unlimited number of dictionaries inside the main dictionary. So that means containing more than one dictionary in one main dictionary is called nested dictionaries. So here My Pets is the main dictionary. Inside that you have, like I'm considering, two dictionaries inside that. One is the cat. One is called the cat dictionary. Another one the dog dictionary. Sorry, I coded it wrong, so I'm just doing the correction here. So the cat, first one we call it the cat directory, and then this is called dictionary is also an object. If you remember, like for example, it has properties. Like for example, I'm considering a cat dictionary, so that will have properties of name and age in this particular case. Yeah, then I consider another dictionary, dog, which has also a name and age properties. So the first one, name property value is Gigu, age is 20. For the second dictionary, name is Charlie, age is 25. Yeah. So likewise. So these two dictionaries are contained inside the main dictionary, which is called the My Pets. So this works like a nested dictionary. Yeah. So and then after that, I print the main dictionary, My Pets. So let's see what happens. Yeah. There you go. Cat with the name age, dog with the name age. You get the dictionary output inside your console. So this was one way of creating a dictionary, by having a main dictionary contain 2, 3, 4 or whatever number of dictionaries inside that. Then there could be another way of creating a dictionary whereby you have individual dictionaries, yeah, and then you could create in another way. So let's see how that happens. I'm trying to modify the earlier one. If cannot, then I'll do it in a different way. Let's see. So just watch while I'm doing it. Okay. Okay, I tried that way, but it wouldn't be working. So let me do the corrections here. Okay, so basically I have to consider it separately. So I first make a cat dictionary and give it the two properties. Then I make the dog dictionary and give it the two properties. Okay, then I need to merge it to form the main dictionary, right? So, there's something mistake here. Okay, indentation problem. And then when you name, remember guys, when you name a dictionary, it cannot be a string. So cat is a dictionary, dog is a dictionary with the two properties. Make it individual and get your indentations correct, because I tried to modify the previous one. That's why something went wrong in my indentation. Yeah, it has to go to the left side. Yeah, cat, dog. So these two are the dictionary individually, mind you. This is not linked yet. So then after that, I link it to my main dictionary. So I call my main dictionary again, My Pets, and then I say My Pets, curly braces, cat, dog. There you go. Cat is cat, dog is dog. Why? Because cat is a string, which was the property for the cat, and then colon cat, because cat is a name. Dog is a string for the dog dictionary, equals dog. So if you don't, and then after that the same thing, print my pets. So you get the same value as you got earlier. But for me, it would be easier the first method. So that's totally up to you, which method you want to follow. Yeah, and then then I'm showing here how to access the properties of dictionary. So here, print my pet's name of the dictionary, then dog, that is the name of the dictionary, and one of the properties like age, in this case age. So my pets, square braces, dog, age, or cat, age, or it could be dog, name. That means the name of the dictionary in the square braces and then one of the properties. Then you can access it and then you can print it out like the way I'm doing here. The cat name or the cat age, the dog name, the dog age, similar to that. So this is the way you can access it using the square braces, square bracket rather, and the property, the name of the dictionary followed by the property. Now, how do you kind of do the nested looping inside the nested dictionary? So for example, for example, using the for loop. So for x could be anything that is basically the property. So for x and then the object in my pets, because mind you, I told you it's an object, right, with properties. So for x, object in my pets, dot item. So this is called the item method. Using the items, you can print out the value. So for x, object in my pets dot items, print x. For y, in object, print y plus colon object y. So by doing this, you can print out the value. There you go. Name Charlie, age 25. Basically, you can print out anything using the property. So let's say instead of x, I want to write the property itself. So for name, object in my pets dot items, print name. For age in object, print age plus object age. Now there's a mistake because I forgot to write age instead of y. So x and y are nothing, don't get confused. They are nothing but the properties of the object. So you have to, there you go, you're getting the value name Charlie age. So you have to list out the property. Remember that when you're doing the nested looping inside. So what happening is, this is how you are using the looping inside a nested dictionary.